going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be continuing our 302 rebuild. I plan on rebuilding it. We got it out here. We're going to go ahead and spray it down. It's super oily. Start cleaning up our gasket materials and stuff like that, and then we'll start the honing process because there's quite a big ring ridge in about every single one of these. After we assess that, check it for cracks and stuff like that, we'll start loading the parts cannon. It needs a new set of pistons. There's a couple of them that are really scarred on the sides. I don't want to risk it. I only want to build it once, and then if it blows up, hopefully it throws a rod through the block so I can't rebuild it. Well, I'm not sponsored by Super Clean like all the big wig fancy YouTubers, but I got some Dawn, and if it's good enough for ducks, it's good enough for a small block Ford. Oh yeah. Just gotta rub it in there. We'll let it marinate for a second before we turn the hose on it. I see all that oil and grease already starting to drip off this thing. We might have to paint it. Man, it's still really greasy. We're not a pretty cool wet pit though. Alright, so we got it cleaned up just a little bit more. We're gonna go to O'Reilly, get some freeze plugs just while we're here. I mean, there was silicone around them. That was probably one of our coolant issues. Because if you guys remember, I did replace the head gasket, and I think I misdiagnosed it because it was still running. It wasn't blowing smoke. I just lost a lot of antifreeze, and then I was losing a lot of oil for some reason, which that doesn't make sense to me because my reservoir would be completely empty, but I'd be out of oil, and I would be out of antifreeze, obviously. So I think we just were leaking out of one of our freeze plugs, and we also had a loose, maybe loose plug or something. Might have jumped the gun, but it all worked out, and we're learning how to rebuild something, I guess. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get some freeze plugs, get this cleaned up some more. I'll actually get some degreaser instead of Dawn dish soap. It is pretty good for the ducks, but still got some stuff to clean up. Got some of this gel degreaser, and I never used it before. I also got the traditional Super Clean. That doesn't seem very jelly. We'll let her marinate. Hopefully we can get it clean enough. Got some wire brushes too. Because I really want this to be really nice and clean. That way when I do decide to paint it, most of the prep work is done. I can just get the torch and go over the top of it. Well, we got it all lathered up. Kind of looks like jelly of some sort. Real thick. I guess it's not thick, it's just weird looking. Kind of like root beer, like the root beer foam or whatever. Anyways, directions say let it sit for about 10-15 minutes, so we'll wait it out. And we'll figure out if this stuff's good or not. While we're waiting for that to marinate, this is a big old chunk of flower pot. Oh yeah. So the gunk didn't really work very good. Super Clean never let me down. You can see already I'm just coating this whole thing. It's already turning everything brown. Already taken a lot of stuff off. What I like about this stuff, it actually works. Sponsor me, guys. I'm big enough. I'm a big enough creator. I do good stuff. I'm gonna start the honing process. This is gonna be professional. Well, I was taking the rings off of this just to kind of look at it. This is why I say we need new pistons. This stuff is just tearing off. Yeah, I have a chunk of it in my hand actually. It's just coming off. And this was the one I thought was good, like not good, but decent. And I'm just pulling these rings off, and this, I guess, I don't know what you call that, like just the piston itself, just falling apart. Keep in mind, this thing was running. It was just eating a lot of oil and antifreeze. I think we know why. That's where our blow-by was coming from, for sure. Well, we just started honing the cylinders. Still got that ridge in them, but they are cleaning up pretty good. I'm gonna show you a decent one. I just barely started on it, but They are looking good. I got a mud pit. This was really simple. Like, I figured this thing would, I guess it's a bare block, but still, this was pretty simple to scoot up and scoot back down. But I think that's where we're going to end off for this episode. Next episode, we're going to finish honing and then start decking professionally and cleaning up our gasket surfaces with a little grinder, or I guess, metal brush, or the metal spinny wheel of death. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Hopefully, this will go in the Bronco, if everything goes well. I want to try and start it on the stand. I'll have to get like a C4 or C6 bell housing, because they're separate. You can put the starter on them. But we'll get it figured out. See you guys next time.